So, and then talk to me about and share what you shared with me to everyone about sometimes you go once a week or once a month, like you're on someone's calendar.
Hmm.
You said
Yeah.
7 years with someone, so that's a once a month, once a week, just kind of maintenance
Hmm.
for
Yes,
some.
and it can be, I mean, it can be anything. So it can be, these very intense, 3, 4 month projects where you're hitting it hard. There's a lot of work to be done, and then they call you, I don't know, once or twice a year, just to do a little refresh or seasonally, that kind of thing. And then I've got clients who the progression of our relationship, they would rather us do the maintenance, say before the cleaners come. They want the organizer to come in and just kind of get everything put away and that kind of thing. And so it makes sense to them. And that would be once or twice a month. Some people, everybody's different. Like I said, the uniqueness is fun. Some people are not going to they don't want to do their mail, say. And so they'll let it pile up. You come in, you just make sure that, because paper is a hard thing for households to wrangle. And so that would be another example. And then again, even progressing further over the years, some clients I've even gone into more of a personal assistant role, in that they will say, you're coming over, can you do these errands for me? Bring it over, or take these when you go. Or I'm doing a little bit of bookkeeping for a client, and so I'm helping her with her home business, just get all of that organized. I'm doing her billing for her clients, and I'm doing, and that is every week. So it's it can morph into, it's just out of the box thinking as far as what an organizer can do for you.